Introducing the Pollo Guardian Shield 3MP Smart Wi-Fi Camera. The perfect way to keep your home or business safe and secure. With its high-resolution video and colored night vision, you can see everything that's happening in complete detail, even in total darkness. And with its two-way audio, you can communicate with anyone who's at your door. The Pollo Guardian Shield 3MP Smart Wi-Fi Camera is also easy to use. Just connect it to your Wi-Fi network and download the free Cloud Edge app. Then, you can view your live video feed, receive alerts, and control your camera from anywhere in the world. Here are some additional benefits of this smart Wi-Fi camera. Motion detection alerts. Receive alerts on your phone or computer when motion is detected. Two-way audio. Communicate with anyone at your door through the camera's built-in speaker and microphone.
Hey! Who is there?
Cloud storage. Store your video footage in the cloud for up to 30 days. Colored night vision. See color view up to 30 feet even in complete darkness. Weatherproof. The camera is weatherproof and can withstand rain, snow, and sun. The Pollo Guardian Shield 3MP Smart Wi-Fi Camera is the perfect way to keep your home or business safe and secure. Order yours today. Pollo, be aware, be safe.